Welcome to my English second class on tag question part 3. That means last part of tag question, and the part is only for exceptional rules of tag question, and which will be very helpful for the student of class 9 and 10. Before going through the class, at first let's see the answer of the homework as I gave you in the last class. Yes, dear students, the first one, we must respect the elders. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be mustn't we, because if we find the auxiliary verb in the sentences, we'll use this. And the next one, everybody loves flower. What will be the answer? Yes, don't they? We can see there is a S by S form of verbs. Instead of that, we have used don't, because the pronoun of the subject is plural. So we have to use don't instead of that, because loves is the present form of verb. And the third one, Allah can save us. The answer will be can't we, and can't he, because he will be used as the first letter. The first letter of the he must be used as capital letter. And the next one, let's try again. The answer will be shall we. I have already learned why. Another one, we enjoyed the class, didn't we? And the next one, Rohim and Karim are friends. The answer will be aren't they? And the last one, see you again. The answer will be on you. The rules of this answer we have already discussed and learned. Okay, students, let's start our today's class. Today's class is especially on exceptional tag question. We have to face, or we have seen a lot of time in our public examination or others examination. Let's see some example. The first one, I apostrophe D done the work. Yes. Now question is, apostrophe D, how will you understand what is the word apostrophe D means? What will be referred? That means, how will you understand what is the word apostrophe D mean? Yes. The students, if we find apostrophe subject, apostrophe D plus past participle of verb, we should consider the apostrophe D had, because we have learned, or we know that in the past perfect sentence, the structure is subject plus had plus past participle of verb. So if we find the past participle of the verb, the apostrophe D will be considered as had. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be had and I. And the next one, I in the same word, I apostrophe D. What will we understand? What is the word is used here as apostrophe D? Yes, if we find after apostrophe D the base form of verb, that means go here, we shall consider the apostrophe D as would. That means after apostrophe D, if we find the basic base form of verb, the apostrophe D will be considered as the word would. So what will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be wouldn't, wouldn't I. Yes. And the third one, if we find in the sentence the subject is used as who cares, who knows, etc. The who is considered as nobody. That means nobody cares. What will be the answer? Do they, because nobody is negative. And we have used do as present form. And the next one, there are many students in the class. What will be the answer? Aren't there? You have to remember that only one word is, instead of he, she, they, you, we, instead of these words, only the there is used as the same in the tag question. So the answer will be aren't there. In the next one, all of us have to be honest. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be haven't we. How will we understand? If we find in the sentence the subject is all of us, we should use as the pronoun of the subject we. If we find all of you, then the pronoun of the subject will be you. If we find in the subject all of them, the pronoun will be they. So we have used like this: haven't we, haven't you, and haven't they. The students, let's see some other examples of special rules or exceptional rules of tag question. The first sentence I have written, none can do this. What will be the answer? Can they? Because we have already learned, or I have already given you or showed you a list of pronouns which are used in the tag question. In the list we have seen, if the subject is man, the pronoun of the subject will be they. We have used here this. So in the next one, neither of them supported him. What will be the answer? The answer will be didn't they. Because if we find in the sentence neither of them, the pronoun of the subject will be they. And didn't, because this is the past form of verb. We have learned the rules, basic rules. And the third one, everybody loves flower. What will be the answer? The answer will be that don't they. Because the pronoun of the everybody is they. And we have learned don't because loves is the present form of verb. And the next one, every religion teaches us to be patriotic. What will be the answer? The answer will be doesn't it. We have seen the same subject, not only same, every and every. The first word is same, and we have used here they as pronoun of the subject, but the next one, the subject, the pronoun of the subject, we have used here it. Why? You have to remember that if we find after every the word is a thing, then the every plus thing, the subject will be used as singular and the pronoun of the subject will be it always. And if we find after every the word is a person, then the pronoun of the subject will be they. আমি সহজভাবে বলি, যদি আমরা এভরির পরে ব্যক্তি বোঝাই তাহলে তার প্রোনাউন হবে দে। আমরা যদি এভরির পরে বস্তু বোঝাই তাহলে আমরা সেই প্রোনাউনটা ব্যবহার করব ইট। সো আমরা এখানে ডাজেন্ট ইট ব্যবহার করেছি, থার্ড পারসন সিঙ্গুলার হয়েছে, এখানে প্রোনাউন ইট, আর এখানে ভার্বের প্রেজেন্ট ফর্ম, এজন্য ডাজেন্ট। আমার বিশ্বাস যে তোমরা বুঝতে পারছো। The next one, no, they read only to pass the examination. What will be the answer? The answer will be don't they, because read the present form of verb, so we have used don't. But you have to remember, if we find the sentence no after comma, the tag question will be the sentence after no. The sentence we find after no, that means this sentence no is not considered here as negative, because after no we have find a comma, so we have used negative tag question don't they. Let's see some other examples. All men must die. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be mustn't they, because we have already learned if we find all plus noun, the pronoun of the subject will be they. and only on. If the only all is used, generally the subject will be it. But if we find all plus noun, then the subject of the then the pronoun of the subject will be they. So we have used mustn't they. Then the next one, all that glitters is not gold. Yes, generally the subject is all that glitters is not. So we have used the answer as is it, because it is a negative sentence. So that tag question is a positive tag question. Next one, I think that he is a good man. I think that he is a good boy. The answer is isn't he, because generally we have to remember that if we find in the sentences there are two clauses, then we will do the tag question of the sentence which is very important, or emphasis on the sentences. And another way, generally the principle, there are two sentences and there are two clauses here. So the tag question will be the sentences which sentence is the principal clause. So he is a good boy is a principal clause. So we have done the tag question of the sentence, he is a good boy, isn't he? And the next one, I need not go there. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be need I, because need is a modal. Now question is, how will we understand that which need is modal or principal verb? If we find after need, if we find the base form of verb after need, then we will consider the need as modal auxiliary, and we have done that way, need I. And if we find the sentence I need a pen, then the sentence is present tense and need is a present form of verb, so it is generally considered the present form of verb. So the tag question of the sentence will be don't I. Let's see some another examples with tag question. The sentence how fun. What will be the answer? Yes, the answer will be isn't it. How will you understand? The students, you have to remember that if the sentence is an exclamatory sentence and if we do not find any subject and verb in the sentences, always the tag question of the sentences will be isn't it. I hope that it is clear. And the next one, he apostrophe s done it, and the like this, he apostrophe s my friend. Yes, now question is, which word is considered as apostrophe s? Yes, first one is has. So the answer of the second one is hasn't he. Now question is, how will you understand? Yes, if we find in the sentences subject apostrophe s plus past participle of verb, then we will consider the apostrophe s as has. And so we have done like this. And the next one, subject apostrophe s, and it is considered as is, because we have already learned the previous sentence. If we find after apostrophe s, then past participle of verb, it will be considered as has, and if we don't find any verb after apostrophe s, it is considered as is. So we have done the answer isn't he. And the next one, birds can fly. Yes, the answer will be and they, because you have to remember that the pronoun of the subject will be plural if the subject is plural. If the subject is singular, the pronoun of the subject will be it. And the next one, someone phoned me. Didn't they? Because we have learned from the chart of pronouns which are used in that question. Someone, the pronoun of the someone are they. So we have written this. And the next one, I ought to visit him. If we find like this sentence, the ought is a modal auxiliary. So we have to use like this, oughtn't I. We should avoid to. So we have done like this because what is the auxiliary, modal auxiliary verb. And the next one, honesty is the best policy. The answer will be isn't it, because honesty is a thing. So if the subject is a thing and singular, then the pronoun of the subject will be it. I hope that you have understood. Now see some other examples which are very important for TET question and the examination. I, you and he are friends. You have to know the subject of the sentence are first person, second person and third person. If we find in the sentences first person, then second person and then third person, the pronoun of the subject will always be we. So we have used the pronoun of the subject as we. And the answer aren't we, because aren't is auxiliary verb. And the next one, you and he. If we find in the sentences the subject as second person plus third person, the pronoun of the subject is always you. So we have used aren't you, because the subject is you and he, the second person and third person. Like this sentence, all the sentence and the pronoun of the subject will be considered as you. And the auxiliary verb is aren't. We have used the aren't you. And the next one, if we find in the sentence the subject is third person plus third person, then the pronoun will be they. Suppose Dina and Meena are friends. So the answer will be aren't they, because they is the pronoun of the subject. The next one, now women are contributing much in education in Bangladesh. Aren't they? Because women is a plural form. So the pronoun of the women are they. And we have used are because as the auxiliary verb. The next one, those are my books. The answer will be aren't they. You have to remember that if the subject is those, the pronoun of the subject will not be used as those. Only the there can be used as pronoun, but in the other way you have to use the pronoun of the subject those are they. So we have used aren't they. That's all for that question. I hope that you all have understood well. Besides, if you find or if you have any difficulties, you can put comments in the comments box. I will try my best to answer the question. Thank you for having with me. I will come with another class with you. Thank you again. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.